Good morning and welcome to Christmas Delight. On the eve of Christmas, that's where everything has to get done. And Eon, the singing chef, is quite busy today as well. Good morning, Eon.
Yes, good morning, good morning.
How are you doing?
Yes, very good.
What do we want to do on Christmas Eve day that will keep us all going throughout the busyness?
Well, I know sometimes you just want to make things that are easy to make and good snacks, because actually when people are doing this much work, they actually want to be able to eat something too as well. So a lot of what we're going to do today, which is going to be this watermelon Christmas delight, is such a meal.
And it seems very simple from our ingredients.
Yeah, all you need is this water. Is this watermelon. This is coconut powder. We're going to have one passion fruit, one packet of Jello, and just some sugar syrup that are made out of pineapple and guava.
This also looks like something we could get the children involved in making.
Oh yeah, you're going to see the whole process that we're going to go through. It's perfect for children to really get into and make. It's very fun.
All right, let's get into Christmas watermelon delighting.
This is a medium-sized melon. What we're going to do is cut it in half like this. We're going to take out the inside, carefully like this. Kids love doing stuff like this, right? Put that in there like that, and you keep the shape of the bowl. And here we're going to do it again. And take it out like that, and keep the shape of the ball, right? Let's smooth it out a little bit. Clean it out completely. Both of them, put them to the side. And then we're going to make our watermelon juice. And the way you do this is you just knead the watermelon. And look, you're going to have, it releases all the water. So you're going to knead that, squeeze that. Fortunately, there's no other way to do this. Otherwise, you're going to rupture the seeds, and it's going to make your watermelon juice bitter. All right, so you just press that in like this. Ooh, there. And you see, what we need is about a cup and a little bit more of watermelon juice, which we've got there. So I'm just going to squeeze in a little bit more. So I get a bit more juice out. Because you're better off having too much than to have too little, right? We will leave this here and put our Jello in here. That's basically one packet of Jello. That's the, yeah. Right. Okay, I put a spoon in here because I'm going to put hot water in there. And I know this is about a cup. So basically, I'm going to pour some hot water in here. Then we're going to add the hot water to the box of Jello. We're going to whisk this together until it dissolves completely. And to this, we are going to add the coconut milk. Make sure that dissolves completely. Look how wonderful that looks already. And our next step is to measure out this water here, this coconut water juice. Ooh, a little bit messy there, but it's fine. Okay, now we're going to take this and add it to this mixture here. So you get this wonderful kind of watermelon. You can use raspberry, strawberry jam, or gelatin, or you can use all the other ones that you can get from the shop that doesn't have any flavoring in it as well, right? Just add just a little bit more juice. Turn this off. Let's add a sugar syrup here. Mix that in well. we're going to deal with our passion fruit, right? And what I want to do is cut this in half. Right. And take some of the seeds, right? Take some of the seeds out, just drop it into the bottom. Like this. And now it's show time. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the jello mixture back into here. See, that's just enough for both of them. Wow. There you go. And you see how those lovely seeds come to set on the top? They float on the top. That's what we want. But we just get rid of this. And to finish it off, you take the passion fruit and you squeeze even more seeds in there. So you're going to have lovely coconut with watermelon flavor, with passion fruit coming through, and that lovely sugar syrup. So what we're going to need to do with this is put them into, clean off the top here a little bit, into a plate or a bowl, it doesn't matter. Let me open up the fridge. This is the tricky part. Let me open up the fridge and place it in the fridge. Let's lift this now. This is the last one. And carefully put that into the fridge. Now the magic moment. After 4 hours, we're going to take the watermelon Christmas delight out of the fridge. It is. See, it's just set. What we're going to do, we're going to cut this in half. Oh, that's it. Nice. Look at that. Watermelon Christmas delight, right? That is just a whole lovely thing of fruitness and jello. Oh my gosh, if you don't love that. And kids love this kind of stuff. So please try this watermelon Christmas delight at home. It takes about 2 minutes to make, and it's only 4 hours in the fridge.